Here's something that might surprise you. The average person with a side hustle makes between $1,200 and $2,400 extra per year. But the really interesting part? 45% of people who start a side hustle end up making it their full-time job within 5 years. So if you're sitting here thinking about earning some extra money, you're actually already thinking like an entrepreneur. Let me walk you through 5 side hustles that are actually generating real income right now and help you figure out which one fits your life. First up, freelancing. This is probably the most accessible option if you've got any marketable skill: writing, graphic design, social media management, coding, virtual assistants, you name it. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and TopTal connect you with clients who need work done. The beauty here is there's almost zero startup cost. You could literally start today. The downside, it takes time to build a client base and reputation. Most people don't make serious money until month 3 or 4. But here's the realistic earning potential. Experienced freelancers on these platforms make anywhere from $30 to $150 per hour, depending on their skill and niche. If you committed just 10 hours a week, that's between $300 and $1,500 monthly. Second, content creation. I'm talking YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Substack, basically creating content and monetizing it through ads, sponsorships, or selling products to your audience. Now, I'll be honest with you. This one requires patience. YouTube doesn't pay you until you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. TikTok has similar gatekeeping, but once you're in, the earning potential is huge. A creator with 50,000 engaged followers can make anywhere from $500 to $5,000 monthly just from brand deals alone. Think of it like planting a tree. First year you're digging, second year you're watering, third year you're finally getting shade. The hard part isn't understanding this, it's actually doing it consistently. Third, e-commerce and drop shipping. You build an online store, market products, and fulfill orders. The startup cost is lower than traditional retail because you don't hold inventory up front. Platforms like Shopify make it relatively simple to get started. Realistic earnings depend entirely on your marketing skills and how much you invest in ads. Some people make $500 a month, others make $5,000. The key differentiator? Understanding your target customer and actually solving their problem, not just chasing trends. Fourth, digital products. Think online courses, templates, Notion dashboards, presets for Lightroom, ebook guides. Anything you can create once and sell infinitely. The startup cost is basically your time. You could spend 20 hours building a course, then sell it for $47 500 times and make over $20,000. This is genuinely one of the best wealth-building strategies because the marginal cost of selling more is zero. Fifth, the gig economy jobs. Food delivery, task services like TaskRabbit, pet sitting through Rover. These are the fastest ways to make money because you start earning literally within days. But here's the catch. This is trading time for money, so there's a ceiling on income. You're not building an asset, you're providing a service. Most people make $15 to $25 per hour after vehicle or service costs. Here's what I want you to understand about all of these. Your first side hustle probably won't make you rich. That's not the point. The point is building the habit of earning beyond your day job, learning what works, and reinvesting that money into something bigger. Put those early earnings into the side hustle itself, into learning, into tools that make you more efficient. That's when the compounding effect kicks in. Before you jump into anything, ask yourself 3 questions. First, do I have the time commitment? Be honest. Second, does this fit with my existing skills or am I willing to learn? Third, what's my actual income goal and is this vehicle realistic for reaching it? That last question is crucial because it keeps you from chasing shiny objects. My recommendation? Pick one. Don't try to do all 5 simultaneously. You'll burn out. Start with whichever aligns best with your skills, your schedule, and your earning timeline. If you need money in 30 days, gig economy jobs. If you can wait 3 months, freelancing. If you're thinking long-term, digital products or content creation. One last thing. When you start making money from your side hustle, treat it like a business. Track your expenses, understand your tax obligations, this is crucial, and consider consulting with an accountant. Some side income is tax-free up to certain thresholds, but once you cross them, you owe self-employment tax. Disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Always consult a licensed financial advisor. Now I want to hear from you in the comments. Which of these side hustles sounds most realistic for your situation? Or do you have one you're already running? Drop a comment below, and if this video helped you think differently about earning money, hit that like button and subscribe for more realistic personal finance content. Thanks for watching.